with Iyke and my sister-in-law. I was asking her this evening for me to style her. And when I saw her, I like to work with energy actually, you know, so from the first day I saw her, I saw a sweet soul, like very calm, put together, and very respectful, you know. So we had that shoot, and you know, I'm a silent watcher, you know, so I've watched and I see everything she does, and I know that she's grown and she's been a better person. And I look at my book and I said, okay, this girl is holding this young man down and making him happy. They're always happy and happy. That's very good to see that they're both together and working strong. I came this evening, when he called me, he literally called me like 2 hours ago. He said, and I told him that I had a set this evening, but I said, no, it's Theresa, I'll come. Keep being a sweet girl, and sky is the limit. We love you, and I love you.
Okay, so the world best is the one who has taught me everything I know. I'm very happy to be here today. I thought I was going to make it today because I want to see you manifest everything you've dreamt of. This is just the manifestation of everything you've spoken about, everything you know or you want, you know, the dreams you've dreamt of. So all I have to say is congratulations, and I pray every year is going to be better than this one. You understand? So like bigger things are coming very, very soon. Happy birthday.
Alright. Yes. It feels so surreal every time
Tell me what you're doing. Come.
With you, or like no games or gimmicks or no manipulation of some sort. I just had to come as myself, and if I can show up every day as myself for the rest of my life, I'll definitely achieve that. So that's what I should do, and yeah, do the shit for myself.
God went. See, you cannot clap it now, you're a witch. Certified one. Oh, wow.
The same place on each other.
Wow.
Now be.
Oh, that was heartwarming. God went. God went. Yes, I'm tapping into your blessing, my brother. You know, I've been single for as long as I can remember. Tapping into your blessing. Alright, as we were giving our felicitations, very beautiful, very delectable Wahoni, the dimple queen. You just walked in. How are you, darling? Alright, so yeah, I'm sure you're here for Theresa. So we're just in the middle of, you know, saying nice things about her. You know, so tell Theresa how you feel. This is the opportunity to, you know, boost her.
Where do I start from? First off, I'm happy I was able to come. And you're beautiful, you're amazing. And I'm happy that I'm in your life. Because you're an amazing person.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm happy.
I love you.
I love you.
Aww. Are you happy I'm in your life too? Alright, like I said, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is the night where we celebrate her, and we want to get to the dinner. So it's a buffet. So we'll have to go and get our food. And we can just start from the tail end of the table and we gradually go and just get our food. It's a buffet. Serve yourself, get as much food as you want. I've paid for everything. I remember when Ike told me, oh, I wanted to do this, Hero. I I need some money, and I said, don't worry, I'll help you. I'll send you 100 million naira. And I'm sure you will still have some change after this. And everything I just said is in line, I'm sure you know that. So please, if you still want to donate, we're accepting generous donations. Alright, so yes, let's just get straight to it. DJ Martino will be giving us the sweet, sweet music, and we'll go get our foods and get our belly filled. Thank you very much. Let me change your seat. You must say you got my
I beg you, this is part basic.
Alright guys, back in a bit.